Is there a Lamborghini in your future? Is there more real estate in your future?
Yeah, but more real estate in the future. Yeah.
And so most of your business, you're a little bit in lead gen, not so much you don't do the cold calling thing. You've mentioned that you do door knocking. Well, you have in the past. Where does your business come from?
I am available 24 hours. They can
Bet she doesn't sleep.
They text me in the middle of the night, I'll answer them.
Everyone, welcome to the Complete Realtor Podcast. I'm super thrilled to have Betchie Bote on, a realtor that's been with us for a few years now, since 2023. And what's pretty incredible, as it just so happens, on her debut appearance, she's also closing 3 transactions today, which is a huge deal. And I want to get into that. Betchie, welcome.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Tanya.
Yeah. So, okay, you're closing 3 deals today. How do you feel?
I'm excited. Super excited. It's my first time to do 3 deals in a day.
Yeah.
Like closing in a day.
Yeah. So I anticipate you're going to have a pretty busy day.
It's all done with the lawyers and everything. So I just touched base with my clients last night. And I think I will do again today after we talk.
Oh, good. Mm-hmm. Good. And so the reason I wanted to have you on is you signed with us in 2023. You did 5 transactions in your first year with us. Into 2024, you doubled up your business. And now in 2025, you've surpassed doubling up from 2024. So you're growing your real estate business in a market where most agents are talking about struggling and the market is difficult and you're on a complete upswing. Tell me about that. How are you getting so much business?
I think it's just naturally happened.
Yeah.
It's, I don't feel like it's the numbers. I just do what I'm doing.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. And so most of your business, you're a little bit in lead gen, not so much you don't do the cold calling thing. You've mentioned that you do door knocking. Well, you have in the past. Where does your business come from?
From referrals. And from my work also, I do, I think that's my marketing when I do talk to people when I'm working.
Yeah.
My other job. Yeah.
That's right. Mm-hmm. So you do real estate, let's say full time because of how busy you are, yet you also have jobs that you do outside of real estate. So you're really busy, but it's definitely providing some opportunities for real estate. Yes. So how do you find being a realtor and juggling other roles and other businesses?
So that's what I said. The real estate thing is not, I don't consider real as a job because I love it. I love what I'm doing. I feel like I'm just talking to people, just explaining this real estate thing, and my other jobs are my job. But the real estate, that's what I said to my husband. This is what other people said, that when you love what you're doing, you don't feel like it's a job. So I think the real estate is, I'm happy what I'm doing with this one.
Yeah. And so, being licensed for 3 years, but that wasn't the start of your real estate world. So walk me through, what did you do before real estate that got you into it?
So at first, I did some investment, real estate investment. That's the first thing I did before. And people were asking me, how do I invest? How do I do that? How do I buy those houses? And then after that, my husband asked me, well, when people, anyway, they're asking you, why don't you do real estate? Why don't you study it? And he gave me the number to call. And he asked me, okay, this is the number. You can enroll. And so then that's the start of it.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So when you got into it, did you find it hard in the beginning, or was it comfortable because you had that experience?
No, it's different. Yeah. I learned so much from that because from buying, someone is guiding me, right? Mm-hmm. The real estate agent. And this one, it's going to be different because I'm going to be the one guiding them. And it's going to be from what I learned. But eventually you will learn more from doing the deal.
Yeah. Yeah. And so you've done a lot of business at this point, I would say, for someone that's been in for 3 years. What's the hardest part about being a realtor?
At first, it's hard, like, because I don't know what to do really with the business. So, but the hardest thing now, I think, is dealing with the other agents. So if they're not, cooperative with you, and they have so much things, so much complaint, I think that's the hardest for me on this part.
Yeah.
Because for all the paperwork, they help me. Monique is helping me, and then Andrew and Mike, they're always there to um, listen to my questions. So every day I have a question. And you, yeah.
Yeah. Well,
Mhm.
it's good because that means you're thorough. And so as a realtor, having a good back end support is obviously super important. That makes your job a little easier on that side. And the only thing you're really, having to tackle is managing the realtors on the other side, as you mentioned. We know that can be painful sometimes. And then just ensuring that your clients get everything that they're looking for.
Mhm.
Yeah. So that's the hard. What's the easiest part of real estate?
The easiest is I gotta find I love seeing beautiful houses. I like seeing the houses even though no one is buying yet. And then after that I talk to them. It's easy for me to just communicate with my clients. I feel like they're not clients. They're just like my friends. So I just tell them like I have a good house for you. I saw something good, and they just said, okay, send me something. And I just do that. I don't feel like it's hard for me to do those things.
Well, so if you're getting majority referrals from your business, that speaks volumes to who you are as an agent. People refer people that they think are really good at their jobs. And so what do you think it is about you that makes you such a great agent that all your clients want to refer you?
I feel blessed. I feel like happy that they refer it to me because there's so many agents, right? So many, especially Filipino. There's lots of Filipino agents, and when they refer it to me, it's I feel so good that. And then what I do is I show them that what they refer to me is what they did is really. I can show them that they deserve that referral.
Okay, so most of your business then comes from the Filipino community. How's it working within your community? How do you find it? Is it painful,
It's good.
struggling?
It's more easier for me because I can explain them better in my language, and that's why I said if they feel comfortable with you, talking to you, asking you question, and I am available 24 hours with them. They can
Betchie
just
doesn't
text me.
sleep.
Yeah. They text me in the middle of the night, I'll answer them.
Betchie, you're setting a standard for other realtors. Betchie doesn't sleep, so she will answer the phone at 3 a.m.
No, it's not like that 24 hours. I mean, like if they ask me and I'm available right away, I can text them or answer whatever questions they have.
Yeah, that's a pretty big deal.
Yeah.
Right.
So I feel like I'll show them that I'm here all the time whenever you need me.
Yeah.
Just that's what I meant for being like almost 24 hours with them. Yeah, because I know some people complaining, "Oh, after this some people like after the deal they said they ignored them." Those kinds. So I don't want that to happen.
Yeah.
That's I think that's what I am wanna keep with them. Like even the transactions are done, I'm there after, not just because they already bought the house and it's done. So that's the thing that I'm doing. Like I'm always here.
Yeah. You're taking care of them.
Mhm.
Customer service is your top priority.
Mhm.
Yeah. Well, I think that obviously makes a big difference. That's why you get the referrals. And we were talking earlier, kind of off the microphone, about how you're just your authentic self. Like you're you, and you just.
Yeah. So I think just being yourself. That's why I said that's the best thing you can do. Just be yourself. You cannot fool people. Like whatever they see you, that's you. So if they think that this is a snub, or she's just doing this just because she wants to sell. It's not gonna work. So you have to be yourself. Like if you are really happy what you're doing, it's gonna show within to you.
Yeah. Yeah. And putting the customer first. Like I know you do that and you take good care of people. That makes a big difference, right? There's businesses that we've seen in the real estate world where they do only ever one deal with someone and they don't get the referrals. And that speaks a little bit about someone's customer service. And you're on the complete other side, which is you're not having to find your business. It shows up to you. And I know you work hard at it. But you're appreciative and grateful for all the referrals that you get.
Yeah. So that's why I said I had one client that came back to me again for the second investment. And that makes me happy that I know that I did good. That's why they chose me again to do another. And I don't even know them before. That's the one that they're not my friends. They're not my family. And they just referred to me. And then after that, after a year, they bought another house and they picked me again. They chose me to be the realtor.
That's
so
a big
that
deal.
makes me happy. Yeah.
Yeah, that's a really big deal. Well, that's super exciting. Now, where do you see real estate taking you in the next few years? What's that like for you?
I just continue what I'm doing right now. That's what I think I have to do more talking.
So that you're doing real estate, you love it. You have your other jobs, it's keeping you busy. What's your big reason why? Like, why are you doing all the things that you're doing?
So that's what I said. I think the other job that I'm doing right now in the nursing home is also the way of my marketing. Like that's where I get my clients. I talk to people there. I'm always out. I don't need to do call calling or I don't need to do door knocking because in the nursing home, there's so many people that I can talk to and it's they can refer me.
Yeah.
Too. That's also, and also, I love there too. Like, I like my coworkers too, that I feel like I cannot quit yet.
Yeah. Yeah. It's your family.
Mm-hmm.
With doing real estate, obviously you got into real estate because you love it. Yes. But what's the big reason behind wanting to do real estate? Obviously realtors do it because they love their clients. They love helping people find their forever home. There's all these wonderful reasons that we do it, but selfishly, what's the reason you got into real estate?
That's what I told you too before, that I love it. It's my first, when I first get into real estate, I feel like this is what I love doing. Yeah. So when I invest and then I do the real estate, I learned so many things, and then I want it to do also with my friends, with my clients, and they can do the same what I did. And I'm happy that my clients are happy when they found their first home or when they got the house that they really like, their investment, either investment or their first home or second house. And when I feel like they're satisfied for my business, then I feel I'm happy too.
Good. Now, let's say in 3 years from now, you walk out and have a real estate year where you've made $500,000. What's that mean for you?
It means that I'm doing good.
Yeah.
Like I don't need to do 3 jobs. So
what would you do different in your lifestyle if you had that kind of money coming in from real estate?
I will continue my real estate and I think I will stay in real estate, just the real estate after, if I get that business.
Is there a Lamborghini in your future? Is there more real estate in your future?
Yeah, but more real estate in the future. Yeah. I got a car that I like to drive now, so I'm okay with that.
Yeah.
And no, I'm not retiring yet.
Yeah, well,
so
you know,
just save because my kids are all now grown up. So my first one is in university. The second one will be in university, and I'm paying all their tuition. So
that's why she's doing real estate. It's paid for the school.
Pay for the school. That's why I cannot quit my other jobs yet because
Keep working.
I need to pay their school.
Betchie's gonna keep going. Good for you. Good for you. That's awesome. Well, thank you so much for coming on. I'm glad that we could have this conversation. I think it's wild that you're closing 3 deals today. I think in a market where most agents feel like it's down, technically you're up, you're doing well, you're doubling up from last year. That's pretty amazing. I'm super proud of you. I think it's a big deal what you've accomplished, and I know you're going to keep going, and I can't wait to see what you do next year.
Thank you, Tanya. And I'm happy I'm here with Keller Williams, and thank you for all the support that you have given me.
Yeah, our pleasure. Awesome. Well, follow Betchie online. We'll have this YouTube video up and you'll see you on social media. Thanks for joining us.